KTN News.
President William Ruto has green energy and agricultural potential in the African continent. The head of state, who was also attended the European Corporate Council on Africa and the Middle East dinner on the sidelines of the Italy-Africa Summit, South Africa remains the future of the world in terms of development. He also held a meeting with the Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni and the Director General of the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, in a bid to get partnership to eradicate hunger in Kenya.
The assets in the world. Number two, Africa has 2/3 of the world's arable land for agricultural production. Number three, Africa has the youngest population, 70% below the age of 30. And number four, Africa has the world's critical minerals that are necessary for energy transition. So if you are looking at the future and you're not looking in the direction of Africa, then I want to tell you, you are looking in the wrong place. Yes. The future is in Africa.